Let me show you how you can create a 3D graph in Numbers for your Mac. Select the data from your table, then head to Chart option at the top. From here, move from 2D to 3D style. Keep in mind there are arrows that you can click to see more default colors. Alright, let's go with the colorful one. I will select this one here. And as you can see, I got 3D style chart, and I can control the angle of those 3D objects, how they are displayed. Take a look, and the chart is adjusting. We can select some color presets here, or we can modify colors ourselves. If you want to change the data range of your chart, click on Edit Data Reference, when you can reselect what will be on the chart. In addition, you got a 3D Scene Controller here on the right in the Format section, when you can change the appearance of the chart. You can modify the lighting style, where the light will be, where the shadow will be casted, and of course this rotation that we showed before, you can also change that here. We got gaps that we can create between those layers, and we can decide on shadows. We can even switch shadows off. Alright, so that's how you create a 3D graph, 3D chart in Numbers for your Mac. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.